If you are new here, I'm Nico, a French content creator living in Vancouver, Canada, documenting my journey to build my ideal life through consistent actions. This week was all about structure, focus, and building momentum, cleaning up my life, working on the wedding, and keeping consistency at the gym and with my goals. Monday, I started the week strong. I had a great push workout, 23 sets, a lot of supersets, and I'm seeing real progress. 4 focused training days, 2 recovery days. That's my new structure. I'm also staying consistent with my vitamins and my proteins. It's not perfect yet, but I'm stacking good habits. At night, I stayed at the WeWork until late. I called a friend and caught up on journaling. Slowly, I'm bringing order back into every area of my life. Tuesday, I woke up early and recorded episodes 17 and 18 of the Journey series. Then, went to the gym for a heavy deadlift day. 23 sets again. I'm really finding my rhythm in training. The rest of the day was for editing and organizing the wedding paperwork. I called my grandfather. He's still sharp, remembering everything from our conversations. It reminded me how lucky I am to have all these great moments with family. The day ended with sushi nights with my fiancée. Wednesday, another early morning, 5:30 a.m. I recorded episode 19, then went to the gym for leg day. 8 sets of squats, 22 total. I'm tracking volume. The goal is 90 sets this week. Progress is stacking. I also sent emails for the wedding and finished editing episode 18. Every box checked feels like momentum building. Thursday, rest day, but not from progress. I finished episode 19, replied to the emails for the wedding, and organized documents for the French town hall. I'm also improving at chess. My elo is the same, but my strategy is evolving. Sometimes progress is invisible. You just have to trust the work. Friday, I went to the gym again. Upper body, lots of sets, lots of efforts. I also did my DEXA scan. Not my best results, but it's the new baseline. Saturday, a learning day. I listened to a podcast about AI. It's the future and I want to stay curious. We bought our wedding rings, a milestone. At WeWork, I journaled, organized, and reflected. I stayed in to work and plan my week. Little by little, things are falling into place. Sunday, I started the day with a walk in Stanley Park while calling my mom. Then, I ran a quick 5K, pushing into zone 4 and 5. Then, church with my fiancée, something I want to keep doing as we prepare to get married. At night, I went to the Canucks game. A great match, even if they lost in overtime. A perfect way to close a solid, balanced week. That's it for week 21. The gym, the work, the wedding, everything is moving forward. Step by step, habit by habit, choice by choice. If you are on your own journey, keep going. Follow the journey and I will see you next week.